Hi, I'm Rixa Freeze. I'm the founder and president of Breech Without Borders. I'm a mom of 4 kids, all born at home, and I come to birth from a academic and research background and not from a clinical background. Although I did apprentice with some home birth midwives for a few years during graduate school, so I got to attend quite a few births. But I come to it more from an interest in human rights and autonomy and history of medicine and healthcare, sociology and anthropology, trying to understand why we do birth the way we do. And at first, my journey took me into researching midwifery and home birth and unassisted birth. That was the focus of my PhD work. And over the years, my interest in breech grew. It was a side interest, but it always fascinated me from the very first moment I learned about breech, and in particular, physiologic breech. I saw these amazing international collaborations happening between home birth midwives and hospital-based OBGYNs and hospital-based CNMs and midwives. And I was seeing this collaboration in breech that I didn't see anywhere else in the birth world. And it caught my attention. And so I caught the breech bug, and it caught me really well in 2016 when I finally had some long periods of time to work on projects after my youngest started public school. And I decided then to specialize in breech birth, not knowing what would come of it, but I knew that I wanted to focus on that academically. A few years later, I was invited to St. Petersburg, Russia, and was giving some lectures about breech and other topics. And they said, "What is this term breech trial you keep talking about? We've never heard of it." And I thought, this is the trial that killed breech birth around the Western world where it wasn't already dead. And here in Russia, no one's heard of it. Why is the information not crossing borders? So I thought somebody needs to do something, found an organization to make breech birth information cross borders and boundaries. Of course, I thought somebody else would do it, and then nobody else did it. So a year or so later, I started Breech Without Borders, not knowing what it would become. I just thought, I want to start something, so we'll make an organization and start working on translating information literally and figuratively. And now here we are many years later, and we've become this wonderful international collaboration. Breech birth is expanding around the world. And most importantly, women's ability to choose what happens with their bodies, with their families, and with their experiences, which I feel is the most important part of the work that we do.